we will see how to use LABWAN LWMS-320 magnetic stirrer. In the bigger box we have an instruction manual, a magnetic stirrer, a power cord and a stirrer bar. In the smaller box we have the temperature probe, the stand holder, and the stand. At the back of the magnetic stirrer we have the power socket and the temperature probe socket. On left we have the power switch. Now we will insert the power cord into the power socket. Then we will insert the temperature probe connector into the temperature socket. Now we will take the bolt off the stand and install the stand on the magnetic stirrer. To install the stand on the magnetic stirrer, insert the stand into the stand slot and tighten the bolt onto the stand, fixing it in place. Now we will loosen the screw of the stand arm holder on both sides. Then we will slide the stand arm holder onto the stand and lock it on desired height. Now we will take our stand arm and tighten it on the stand arm holder. Then we will insert the temperature probe into its slot on the stand arm. Now we will take our beaker with the stirrer bar and solution in it and place it on the magnetic stirrer. Now we will turn on the magnetic stirrer by flipping the switch on the left side. We can press the C/F button to change the temperature units between Celsius and Fahrenheit. We will press the speed, pulse button and select the speed option. Then we will use the plus and minus button to change the RPM of the magnetic stirrer. Now we will press the time, ATS button to change it to timer mode. Then we will use the plus and minus button to change the timer to 1 to 999 or infinity. We can also press and hold the time, ATS till the mode is set to ATS. While in ATS mode, if the magnetic stirrer's power is interrupted, it will resume operation upon power restoration, continuing from the time point at which it was last active. We will turn off the ATS mode by long pressing the time, ATS button. Now we will press the speed, pulse button to set the mode to speed. Then we will press the plus and minus button to change the speed of the magnetic stirrer. Then we will press the time, ATS button to change the mode to timer mode and then set it to our desired time. Now we will press the start, stop button to start the magnetic stirrer. To visualize the mixing pattern, we'll add some dye to the solution. As we can see, the magnetic stirrer is working as intended. We can set the timer to infinity by setting the mode to timer and holding the plus or minus button till an infinity sign appears on the screen. In infinity timer mode, the magnetic stirrer runs until the start, stop button is pressed. We can turn on the pulse mode by long pressing the speed, pulse mode till the screen shows pulse on. Pulse mode creates an intermittent stirring pattern, alternating between stirring and pausing. We will press the start, stop button to stop stirring. Then we will press and hold the speed, pulse mode till the pulse mode is turned off. We will press the temp button to enter temperature mode. Then, use the plus and minus buttons to set the desired temperature. Your magnetic stirrer is ready to be used. Thank you.